how to fix Google Maps stuck on loading. So hello guys, if you are facing that problem, how you guys can fix that. So it was on Android, iPhone or Samsung. For example, I will open Google Maps and let me show you if you are facing that problem. It can be same type of or like it can be until different, but the process was same for fixing. So simply we will click on Maps. Once we open Maps here, you guys can search for any location. Now when I zoom on it, like here I cannot see anything. Like when I open satellite view, it says satellite is not available and like that type of thing. So the main thing, you will simply check your network connection. If it was not on, that's why your map was loading. Also, if it was on, sometimes it was speed was low. That's why that problems occurred. So for fixing that, you need to check your network connection. Also, you need to update Google Maps. If you didn't update in the test version, you can update it from App Store or Play Store. Thanks for watching.